Are you tired of manually handling all your business activities? Then this video is exactly what you need. So hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I am going to demonstrate how you can automate appointment scheduling for your salons via WhatsApp. And inside this video, we are going to work on 3 simple steps. First, we will create a WhatsApp chatbot inside our Pabbly Chatflow account, and after that, whenever any user will send us any text message, then our WhatsApp chatbot will reply to them automatically on our behalf. So if you are ready to learn how I am going to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, then let me take you right onto my screen. Hi, I am Jay and now we are on my screen. So without any delay, let us focus on this WhatsApp chatbot that I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And on my screen, you can see how amazing this WhatsApp chatbot looks. And now, first of all, I will show you a real-time example of how this chatbot will work in real life. And for that, we will go on my WhatsApp account. So you can see this is my WhatsApp account and this is the account of a salon for which I have created that particular WhatsApp chatbot. And now I will interact with this account as a customer who wants to get a haircut. So for that, I will send a text message to this account as hello. And you can see as soon as I will send this text message to this account, this chatbot will reply me instantly. And here it has replied me with this welcome to Headspace Salon. I can help you book your next appointment with us. And now I will click on this book appointment button given just below this text message. So you can see I have clicked on this book appointment and now this chatbot has sent me this list. When I will click on this list, you can see I can have any one of these following 3 services. So today as I want a haircut, so I will select this haircut and then I will send a message to this chatbot. And here you can see as soon as I send this haircut, this chatbot is asking me to select a time for which I want to book my appointment. So for now, I will book my appointment for tomorrow at 2 p.m. And here you can see I have selected this time tomorrow at 2 p.m. And now this chatbot is asking me my name. So I will enter my name as this. And here you can see I have sent my name to my chatbot. And after that, this chatbot is asking me for my email ID. Here I have also sent my email ID to this particular chatbot, and now you can see my appointment has been booked successfully and this chatbot has sent me this message, you are all set Jai Tripathi. So you can see this is the name that I had entered. Thank you for booking with us. Your haircut appointment is confirmed on tomorrow at 2 p.m. So you can see all the details that I have entered, like my name, like what service I want and what time I have selected. This chatbot has detected all of these details and stored them and has sent them to me inside this concluding message. So you just saw how easily I could book an appointment for myself with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot. And now if you also want to create such an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your salon business, then just be with me for the next 15 minutes. And now to start creating this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, we just have to go on a new tab and enter pabbly.com/chatflow. And after that, when you will click on enter button, you will land on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And inside this, on top right corner, you can see we get 2 different buttons, sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you have to click on the sign up free button here, and from here you can create your free account. And for your information, let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow gives every new user 100 free credits every month to create such amazing WhatsApp chatbots and AI agents. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on the sign in button given here. But before that, let me tell you about Pabbly's Facebook community. So Pabbly has this amazing Facebook community of more than 20,000 members, wherein individuals share their ideas and ask questions from our experts. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video. So you can go and join our community from there. And now, being an existing user, I will click on this sign in button here. And after that, I will land on this all apps page by Pabbly. And inside here, you can see Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow, so I will click on this Access Now button inside this Pabbly Chatflow's box. And after that, you will see that I will land on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And here, as we are inside this dashboard, so the first thing now that we have to do is we have to add our WhatsApp number inside our Pabbly Chatflow account. And to add your WhatsApp number, you just have to click on this add WhatsApp number button, and after that you can select any of these WhatsApp connect method or manual token connect method to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. But if you want to learn in detail how you can add your WhatsApp number, then for that we have added a link of that particular video explaining how you can add your WhatsApp number inside the description box of this video, so you can go and check that video from there. And on the left side here you can see we have these multiple features by Pabbly Chatflow like dashboard, inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings, and this get help. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these features, so you can also go and check our description box of this video. And now as I want to create a new chat flow for myself, for that I will select this flows feature from here, and then I will click on this flows from here. After that you will see that I have landed inside this flow builder window, and inside here you can see these are all the WhatsApp chatbots that I have created for myself. And to create a new WhatsApp chatbot, I will click on this add flow button given on the right side here, and you can see I have clicked on this button, and after that I will land on the most important window where I have to start creating my WhatsApp chatbot. And inside this window you can see the first thing that is visible to us is this trigger feature, and inside this trigger feature we will select this trigger event, like the event on which we want our WhatsApp chatbot to get triggered. But before that I would like to give a meaningful name to my WhatsApp chatbot as this appointment scheduling bot for salons. And here you can see as I have named my WhatsApp chatbot, so now I will start creating a WhatsApp chatbot for myself. And for that first of all I will select this trigger event, and this trigger event will be like the event on which I want my WhatsApp chatbot to get triggered. And you can see when I will click on this drop down here, I get all of these multiple trigger events. But for today, as I want my chatbot to get triggered on basis of some keywords that I will enter, so that's why I will select this keyword or regex match as my trigger event. But you can select any of this trigger event as per your preference. So after selecting my trigger event, inside this enter keyword box I will enter those particular keywords with the help of which I want my chatbot to get triggered. So I will quickly enter my keywords, and here you can see I have entered these following keywords: salon and haircut. And now if you want to learn to add keywords inside this box, then for that you just have to type that particular word inside this box, and then when you will click on this enter button, your keyword will get added just like this. And here you can see I have added the keywords which I want for myself. And now inside this enter regex box, this regex is actually a universal codes which stands for regular expression, and with the help of this we can extract some specific keywords from a paragraph. But as for now I do not want to add any regex code, so for that I will skip this particular regex code. And here you can see I have successfully completed my trigger step, and now I will work on my action steps. And for the action steps, first I want to send my customer a welcome message as soon as they type any of these keywords inside my chat. And to send that particular welcome message, I will drag this text button from here and I will drop my text button here. And now inside this enter message box I will enter my welcome message for my user. So here I have entered this welcome message: welcome to Headspace Salon, I can help you book your next appointment with us. And I will also add a button, and inside this button's text I will enter this book appointment as my button. And after this I want that whenever any user clicks on this book appointment button, he gets a list of all the services that I provide in my salon. So for that I will drag this list option from here and I will drop this list here. And now for this enter header box I will enter my header text as hello there. And for my body I will enter this text: what service would you like to book today? And now to add a section I will click on this add section given here, and inside this I will give a title to my section as our services. And after that I will add 3 items inside this particular section, and to add items I will click on this add item. So here you can see I have added one item, and then to add one more item I will click on this button again, and then to add one more I will click on this button again. And here you can see I have entered these three different items, and now I will enter the titles of all of my items. And here you can see inside this section are services. I have successfully added these three different items. First one is haircut, second one is body massage, and the third one is this facial. And if you want to add any more items, then you can click on this add items, and then you can add multiple items as per your preference. And to add more sections, you can click on this add sections, and you can add more sections as per your preference. And now, as I have successfully created the list for my users, so after that, as I want my chatbot to remember my client's selection, so for that I will take help of contact custom fields, and I will go on this action features here, and from here I will select set custom field. I will drag it from here, and then I will drop this here, and then I will connect both of these following circles like this, and inside this select set contact custom field I will select the contact custom field that I have created to store this particular service selected by my user. So when I will click on this drop down, you can see this service type is the contact custom field that I have created to store my client's service selection. That's why I have selected this. And now inside this enter value box, I will just copy this title from here, and I will paste this title here just like this. This is how you can create a contact custom field, and with the help of this contact custom field, my chatbot will remember my user's selection. And just like this, I will add a separate contact custom field for each of my different items. And here you can see I have added contact custom fields to each of my items. And now I will show you how you can create a contact custom field for yourself. But before leaving this particular window, I will advise you to must remember to click on this save button, otherwise your workflow will get lost. And after I have clicked on the save button, my flow has been updated successfully. So now I will click on this settings feature from left side here, and then inside this I will select this contact custom fields, and inside this you can see these are all the contact custom fields that I have created for myself. And to create a new contact custom field, I will click on this add more field, and after that when I will give a name to my contact custom field as this testing, and then when I will click on this save button, my contact custom field will get saved successfully. And after that, when I am inside the flow in which I am working, and inside this flow, when I will click on this drop down of this contact custom fields, in the bottom you will see that the contact custom field that I had created is visible for us. From here I can select this contact custom field if I want. So just like this, you can create a contact custom field for yourself. And now after this, when my user has successfully selected the service for themselves from this list, I want to ask them their preferred time. And to ask them their time, I will drag this text button from here, and I will drop this text button here like this. And after that, I will enter the message inside my text button as this great choice, choose from below when would you like to come in. And below this, I will add 3 different buttons, and in those 3 different buttons I will add 3 different times. Like you can see in the first button I have added this tomorrow at 10 a.m. and in the second and third button I have added this tomorrow at 2 p.m. and tomorrow at 5 p.m. And after this, as I want to store the time selected by my user too, so for that I will go back again on these action features, and from here I will drag this select custom field like this, and I will drop this select custom field here. And after that I will select this particular time contact custom field which I have created to store the selected time by my user, and then I will connect both of these following circles like this. And inside this enter value, I will copy this time from here and I will paste this time here like this. And just like this, I will copy this contact custom field twice because I want to add these contact custom fields for each of my buttons. And then just like I have completed the setup of my first contact custom field, so just like this, I will quickly complete the setup of these 2 following contact custom fields. So here you can see I have entered the value inside both of my contact custom fields, and now I will connect these following circles like this. So here you can see I have successfully set these contact custom fields to remember the time selected by my user. And after this particular action, I want to ask the name and email ID of my user. So for that, I will drag this ask question button from here, and then I will drop it here. And as I want to ask two different questions from my user, so I will click on this copy button here, and here you can see now I have to fill up the text inside both of these question buttons. So for that, I will quickly fill up the text inside both of my question buttons. And here inside these two questions, in the first question I have asked for the name of my user, and for the second question I have asked the email ID of my user. And inside this select contact custom field, I will select this particular name contact custom field which I have created to store the name of my customer. And inside this, I will select this email as my contact custom field because I have created this particular field to store the email ID of my user. And for this format, I will select the text as the format in which I want to receive response of this particular question from my customer. And for this number of attempt, I can increase the number of attempt which I want to provide to my customer. And for this enter validation message, inside this box I can enter the message which I want to send to my customer if they have not replied in the text which I have asked them to. And just like this, inside this email question, I will select this particular email as the format in which I want to receive response from my customer. And after asking these questions, I want to send a final concluding message to my customer where I will inform them about their services and their selected time. And to frame that particular message, I will drag this text button from here and I will drop this text button here. And then inside this enter message box, I will paste the message which I want to send to my customer. So I will paste this particular message. Inside this, you can see I have typed this particular message. You are all set, $name. Thank you for booking with us. Your $service type appointment is confirmed on $date. See you soon. And you can also see that I have used these $sign fields. With the help of these $sign, I have mapped the name, the selected service time, and the selected date of my customer. And with this final concluding message, we have successfully completed the creation of our WhatsApp chatbot. And now I will quickly connect all of these following circles with each other to make sure that these particular messages follow each other. And here you can see I have successfully connected each of these following circles with each other to make sure that these particular boxes follow each other. And with this, we have successfully completed the creation of our WhatsApp chatbot. And now I will click on this save button to save my workflow. So here you can see I will click on this button, and with this our flow is updated successfully. And you must remember to click on this save button after you have completed your flow, otherwise your flow will not work as you want it to. And now as we have successfully completed this workflow, so we will go back on my WhatsApp account and we will test our WhatsApp chatbot there. So you can see this is my WhatsApp account, and in here I will send a text message to my WhatsApp chatbot as this hello, and after that you will see that my WhatsApp chatbot will reply me instantly with a welcome message. And here we have received this message: welcome to Headspace Salon. I can help you book your next appointment with us. And now if I want to book an appointment, then I have to just click on this book appointment button given right here, and from here I can book an appointment for myself. So you just saw how easily I could create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And here we have created this amazing WhatsApp chatbot that will work instantly if any user will send us any of these following keywords. So this is how you can also create an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to clone this workflow, then for that you can check the description box of this video. I have added a link of this particular workflow in the description box of this video. And if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly. And for more such amazing videos, please do comment on what topics do you want videos. And thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create various WhatsApp chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit us at this website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.